Please like, share and subscribe. The camellia is a beautiful flowering plant that belongs to the genus Camellia. It is native to Eastern and Southern Asia, particularly China, Japan, and Korea. Camellias are known for their glossy, dark green leaves and elegant, often symmetrical flowers. Here are some key characteristics and information about camellia flowers. 1. Botanical name, Camellia spp. With various species and cultivars. 2. Common names, Camellia, Japanese Camellia, tea plant, Camellia sinensis is used to make tea. 3. Appearance. Flowers, camellia flowers come in a wide range of colors, including white, pink, red, and even yellow. They can be single, semi-double, or double-flowered, depending on the variety. Leaves, the leaves of the camellia are dark green, glossy, and often have an elliptical shape. 4. Blooming period. Depending on the specific variety, camellias typically bloom in late winter to early spring, although some varieties can bloom as late as early summer or even fall. 5. Habitat. Camellias thrive in regions with mild, temperate climates. They are commonly found in forests, woodlands, and gardens. 6. Cultivation. Camellias prefer acidic, well-draining soil. They can tolerate partial shade, which makes them suitable for growing under the canopy of taller trees. They should be protected from harsh afternoon sun and strong winds. Proper mulching and watering are important for their overall health. 7. Uses. Ornamental. Camellias are popular ornamental plants in gardens and landscapes, valued for their vibrant and often fragrant blooms. Tea production. Camellia sinensis is the plant used to produce tea. Different varieties and cultivars of this species are used to make various types of tea, including green, black, white, and oolong. 8. Symbolism. Camellias can represent different sentiments in different cultures. In some contexts, they are associated with love, devotion, and admiration. 9. Varieties. There are thousands of camellia cultivars, each with its own unique flower color, form, and growth habit. 10. Pruning. Camellias can be pruned to shape and control their size. Pruning is typically done after flowering to avoid cutting off next year's flower buds. 11. Pests and diseases. Common pests that may affect camellias include aphids, spider mites, and scale insects. Diseases like leaf spot and root rot can also occur if the plant is stressed or not cared for properly. Remember that specific care instructions might vary based on local climate and conditions, so it's always a good idea to consult with a local gardening expert or refer to specific care guides for your region.